This is a 2010 Buick Enclave. It features a 3.6-liter six-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, heated front seats, a low tire pressure indicator, 10 perfectly positioned speakers, XM satellite radio, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: 19-inch wheels, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions, so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, a power rear liftgate, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a rear spoiler, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, a security system, OnStar, air conditioning, and this vehicle has fewer than 50,000 miles on the odometer. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
Suburban Ford of Sterling Heights is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 40333 Van Dyke Avenue in Sterling Heights.